To create Pinterest board and organize pins is pretty simple. All you have to do is to navigate to the bottom and tap on this plus icon, and this is where we are going to create the board. So we have three options, whether you want a pin, college or board, and we are going to choose the board. So after that, you're going to give this board a nice name that you know represent the board. So in this case, I'm going to use something like animated images. After that, you can decide to add a collaborator by tapping on this add icon, and if you want to keep this board private, you can proceed to toggle on keep this board secret. After that, continue to tap on next. Now our board is created, and if you want to pin something to this board, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is locate the pin that you want to pin it to this board and then long press on it. In this case, I'm interested to pin something like this, which is an animated image to me. So I'm going to long press on it. Then I have different options to choose from, and here I'm going to choose this one, which is the pin, and this will direct me to an interface like this with the list of boards that I've already created. And now for me to see the one I've created, when I scroll a bit, I could see animated images. So I can proceed to tap on it. Then that's it. This pin has been pinned to my board. I can proceed to scroll up and locate any other additional pins that I want to add it to this board. In this case, this also seems to be an animated pin. So all I have to do is to then long press it again, then make sure I choose the pin, and then proceed to scroll up and locate the animated images board and tap on it. Then this also be added to your board, and you can do this to many pins that you want. If later you want to organize these pins that you pin to your board, all you have to do is navigate to the bottom right corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Then on this interface, proceed to tap on saved, and this will land you on an interface like this with the list of boards you have. In this case, this is the animated images board that I've created. I can then proceed to tap on it. As you can see, it's pretty simple and easy. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.